Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are participating in the 2018 Christmas DIY Decor Challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. Today we're making a topiary, and for that we're going to need some Spanish moss, a broomstick, pool noodle. You can use this, but I would prefer zip tie. I will be using zip ties. We're going to use this pot, and I added to this pot this cardboard circle I cut with a circle in the middle so we can stick our broomstick in the center, and we're adding rocks to this planter. For covering our pool noodle, we're going to use this. I bought this in eBay for, I guess, $1.77, something like that. And I bought 6 of them. I don't know how many we're going to use, but we are using this. Also, I'm adding some fairy lights from Walmart, and that will be wrapped on the topiary. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to start by putting this here so we can see if it fits. After it has the rocks inside, it would fit perfectly. So let's add those rocks. Now I have my rocks from Walmart inside. I'm gonna put my lid on top, and I'm gonna measure that again, and it sticks perfectly over there. It fits. Okay, now we're gonna start making our topiary, and for that we're gonna take this pool noodle and we're gonna cut it in the middle. Excuse my kiddos, they are playing today. Now we have 2 parts of this pool noodle, so we're gonna wrap this around our broomstick, starting like this here, and we're gonna start wrapping it around. I just grabbed my zip ties, as you can see, and we're starting by adding our pool noodle, zip tying it here. You can see I'm adding some tape to our end. I just added glue, and I'm adding some tape so it won't unglue itself. And now we're going to continue wrapping this around like so. This is the progress we've made so far. We're continuing wrapping all of this around until we finished with our shape. And this is how our spiral topiary is looking. Now we're going to add the string lights and Spanish moss on the bottom, and it will be finished. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, I added a topper, I added the string lights, I also added the Spanish moss, as you can see down there. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our host channel. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.